this car with popsicle sticks. You need to make the base of the car. Make 2 popsicle sticks coming out of the car so that the front can be rounded. Next, put popsicle sticks around the car. Make 2 layers. In the front of the car, make the popsicle sticks go up in an angle, and then make the rest of the popsicle sticks go flat up. Next, make the frame of the top of the car and add windows. Then add the roof of the car by adding popsicle sticks going all the way down. And make a small wing on the back for detail. Next, make all 4 wheels for the car. Make the front wheels a little smaller than the back wheels. That is how you make a car. Bye.